the Fleur de Paradis. It's Mother's Day on Sunday for some of us on this channel. It's a day where most of us will likely be reminded on social media that our mum is not the best in the world because someone else's mum taught Einstein physics, showed Muhammad Ali how to box, gave birth to Jesus, and when she first spoke, the Big Bang happened. Or even worse still, some spineless weasel posting the same about his wife because his balls are in her handbag when in reality she's probably sleeping with her fitness instructor. Jokes aside, this drink is at everyone's mum, and I'm sure they're all as equally great as each other, and most of all for the mums who are no longer with us. Ingredient lineup, brace yourselves. Plymouth gin, St-Germain, pink grapefruit juice, lemon juice, simple syrup, orange bitters, and champagne or a sparkling wine of your choice. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of Plymouth gin. You can use a London dry gin, but this really benefits from the balanced nature which you'll find with a Plymouth gin. Add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of St-Germain. Add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of pink grapefruit juice. Add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of lemon juice. And a little bit of sweetness, and add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of simple syrup. And finally, we got there in the end, you want 1 dash of orange bitters. Add ice and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. This cocktail is a creation of Kenta Goto, who's a New York-based bartender and owner of Bar Goto. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. Top up with some champagne, and I wish I was using a slightly bigger coupe glass for this. I'm sure I'm going to get some stick for this, but it's for our old dears. We're going to balance 2 violet flowers, which I'm going to do really badly. They look like I've stolen them from someone's garden. The taste test. This is absolutely delicious. It's interesting, you get this really zingy, sweet sourness, kind of a sherbet sort of taste. The Plymouth gin is a great idea as you don't have a juniper sort of taste dominating the drink. The lemon and the grapefruit juice is an underrated combo. And then the St-Germain, which I really think is a star ingredient in this drink, and I'm beginning to like it. I really do think it works best in busy drinks with a lot going on.